I have a video that has currently gotten 1000 plus views since I uploaded it, and I'll be using that video to make analysis on how much YouTube paid me for 1000 views. So in this video, I'll be making the screen record and I'll be mixing it with this video for you all to see how much YouTube paid me for a video that has gotten a bit above 1000 views. So moving straight into the analytics of this video. When I click on the analytics of this video, I can see that for the overview of this video has gotten, YouTube has approximated it to 1.7k, but in actual sense, this video has actually gotten 1695 views, almost 1.7k views. So I know that YouTube pays per 1000 views, so that means YouTube has paid me for 1000 views out of these 1695 views that this video has accumulated. So moving to the analytics for the overview, it has gotten 1.7k view like I said earlier, and for the watch hours, this video has given me 54.6 watch hours, and since I've uploaded this video has given me 17 subscribers. Now when I check on the average view duration of this video has average view duration of 1 minute 56 seconds. That means on the average, each person that clicked on this video has watched for 1 minute 56 seconds, and average percentage viewed, I have 21.9% as the average percentage viewed. And when I click on the reach of this video, moving to the reach of this video actually has impression of 18.1 thousand views. This video actually has impression of 18.1k. That means YouTube has suggested this video to 18,100 people, and out of the 18,100 people that YouTube has suggested this video to, it's only 1,695 people that are even interested in clicking on this video, whether they clicked in and clicked out, or they clicked in and stayed to watch, they shall have clicked on the video. So it's only 1,695 people that has clicked on this video so far. For how viewers found this video, I have YouTube search, which has the highest percentage of 42.5. Then browse feature has 17.1%, suggested videos has 15.9%. Then other YouTube features has 13.5%. Then channel pages also has 5.6%, and others, but others has 5.5%. I'll not be clicking on see more because I don't want to dwell too much on that. Now for the external sites or app that are suggesting this video, I have Google search, which is majorly 76.2%. Then I'll not be clicking on see more for that as well. For the content suggesting this video, there are some contents that will suggest your videos. Like when you finish watching a particular video, another video will kind of come up for you to click on. Those videos don't necessarily have to be from the same creators that you just watched the video from. They'll just pop up for you to click on. Even if you don't click on them fast, YouTube will just automatically play them next for you. So for content suggesting this my video, I have a lot of how to cut, because this niche is a cutting and sewing tutorial niche. So I can see all the record of the content that have suggested my video, and this content suggesting video can also give you insights on topics to create next for your channel. Sometimes I come to this content suggesting video to check for the topic to create next for my next upload. Now moving to bell notification, I can see that I have some people that turn on their notification, and once they got the notification, they clicked on this video. I have 1.4% from people in such category. This video is a video that talks about how to sew a particular kind of skirt. So I can see that YouTube search terms, that means the topic that people are typing before YouTube brought out this my video to them, they are majorly based on skirts, pleated skirts, high waist skirts, gathered skirts, skirts, and skirts. So that is it for the reach of this video. And when I switch to the engagement of this video, like I said earlier, this video gave me watch hour of 54.6, and it has given me average view duration of 1 minute 55 seconds. Yeah. I can also check the audience retention if I want to, but I'm just going to skip that. And I can see that this video didn't just get some likes, it also got some dislikes. And I can see the end screen elements click-through rates of this video. That's why it's always good to make use of your end screen when you are uploading your video. I can see that I got 1.5% of views from end screen element click rate of this video. So for the audience of this video, when I click on the audience, I can see the device type that people are using to watch this content. I saw that a larger percentage is coming from mobile phone, which is 95.5%. Then people also watch from computer, people watch from TV, people watch from tab, but the largest percent is the one that comes from mobile phones, which is 95.5%, right? Then I can also see the age and gender that are watching this video, and I can see that 100% of everyone that clicked on this video are females. And for the age, I can see this age is funny because since I've been analyzing my video, I don't think I've seen this. Just a particular range of age are the ones watching this video, and they are 25 years to 34 years old. 100%, no other age range is watching this video. So for that, I'll not be clicking on see more. Then I can see the watch time from subscribers. I can see the watch time from people that are not subscribed. And this particular record is showing me that a lot of people that have watched this video, they are not even subscribed. So please, if you watch my content and you are not subscribed, do well to subscribe to my videos. And please, once you watch my content, an advertisement pops up, do well to watch those advertisements from beginning till the end. You can even interact with the advertisements by clicking on, click on the link and then go back to the video. I hope YouTube doesn't hear this. Yeah, so for the people that are not subscribed, I have 91.6%, and for my subscribed audience, or for my subscribed viewers, I have 8.4%. Now I can also see the top geographies that people are watching this content from, and a larger percentage of it is from Nigeria, which happens to be 22.1%. People also watched from Ghana. 2.1% of people watched from Ghana. Now that is it for the overview, for the reach, for the engagement, and for the audience of this video. Moving to the revenue of this video. Yeah. When I move to the revenue of this video, because I know that is the main reason you clicked on this video. So moving to the main reason you clicked on this video, which is to know how much YouTube paid for 1000 views, right? So when I moved to the revenue of this video so far has given me, or no, not giving is not the word. This video so far has earned me 0.61 cents. No, don't let me say cents, let me say dollar. This video has earned me $0.61. Okay, let me be real. Did I just say dollar? Dollar is not part of it at all. This video has earned me 61 cents since it has been established, or since it has been uploaded. Now, how I made this money? I made this money from watch paid ad, and how much advertisers are willing to pay for this particular video, which is the CPM. The CPM of this video is $1.13, and the RPM of this video, which is how much YouTube will pay, is 0.37 cents. That's like saying 37 cents. So obviously, and no doubt, this video is from a low paying niche, because you can see CPM of $1.13. That's to tell you that this content is from a low paying niche. This niche is a very low paying niche. That's why it is always advisable that when you want to choose niche on YouTube, please, as much as possible, choose high paying niche. Choose high paying niche, or at least moderately high paying niche, because this my niche is obviously a low paying niche. It's a very low paying niche. So that is how much YouTube paid me for 1000 views on my channel. I just thought to come share, and this is not to discourage anybody, neither is this to tell anybody that YouTube is paying very, very low. No, it depends on your niche, because my own niche, this particular niche is a low paying niche. So always go for high paying niches. What is keeping me in this niche is passion. I don't see myself not creating content for this niche, because this niche is a niche that I really love to create content on. So all this being said, if you've not subscribed to my channel, kindly do, and don't just subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified when next I upload a new video on this channel. I don't know if you know why I'm laughing. And if you have any question, please ask me. Please ask me down in the comment section. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube can push it out to a larger audience. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.